welcome back to my channel. It's me, your sister Eunice here, and I have a very special guest here with me, Soo I.
Hey guys, it's Soo here. I am indeed over at EuniUnni's channel today.
Yes.
We are going to do something very, very fun today. I'm very excited.
Yes, so the reason why we are all geeked out is because we're going to be doing a ABG transformation makeup, and it's going to be a very chill video where we do some makeup, answer some Q&As from Instagram, and don't forget to check out our collab video on Soo's channel where we talk about our favorite sunscreens, right?
For the summer. Yes.
That's right. So it's going to be the first summer edition on her channel, so please check it out. Alright, I'm so excited for this.
I'm so excited for this. Seriously.
Do you think we could do it?
Let's start!
Let's see if we can do it or not. So we are done with our base makeup because we just wanted to speed up everything. And we have our brows on, so we're gonna start with... I'm gonna start with my eye makeup. What about you?
Me too.
Okay, so let's go with
actually,
shadow.
I'm going to start with bronzer.
Okay, a bronzer.
Alright, let's start with the first question.
Okay, so what is the first question?
Yes! I have the questions on my Instagram, so I'm gonna look through the questions that you guys sent in. Alright, the first question, I thought this was a cute question to start off with. How and when did you two meet?
How did we meet, Soo?
Alright, let me say this. Let me tell the story. So, I actually knew EuniUnni, of course, beforehand because I watched her via videos. So I knew her and I was just like, man, I really want to meet her one day. She looks like such a great person to hang out with. And and then one day you have posted up an announcement that you were going to hold a charity event for a good cause.
Right.
And I was like, great, this is like an opportunity where I can go and see her. So I just went without like anything. I just went with the only purpose of meeting EuniUnni.
I honestly, I just remember this this girl with blonde hair.
Oh yeah.
And then you're vlogging and you're like, hey, I'm
yeah.
here like to say hello. And then you're like, do you want to say hi in my vlogs? I was like, sure. And then that time, it was such a busy day because of the charity and the whole event. But I was so grateful that someone came to see me, you know, because that was like my first offline thing.
Yeah.
And it was like mostly my friends and I had
your family, Papa Cho
was there.
Yeah.
And it was just like a really nice gathering that I wanted to do for my birthday.
Yeah,
to be able to donate some of the profit to the charity. Yeah. And it was really nice. And I was like, I was just...
Yeah, I remember.
That's how our relationship started.
Yeah, so I think afterwards we would meet at events sometime.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask the second question. Yes. This is from Larissa. Larissa, hello. Yes, my favorite duo. Hi guys, can I ask what EuniUnni and Soo do in this quarantine time to keep sane?
Ooh. To keep sane, that's a really good question.
Yeah.
I think one of the things that drove me insane this quarantine was that I wasn't able to work out as freely as I wanted to.
Oh gosh, I want to say that, but I'm someone that doesn't work out too much, so I'm jealous. But yes, I think a lot of people will agree.
So I couldn't go out and enjoy like taking nice walks. And my gym was closed, Knockout was closed. So I wasn't able to work out as much as I wanted to. And so my way out of it, I tried to kind of find like a leeway like around it. So I would go out like really late at night when there was hardly anyone outside.
Right.
So I could just enjoy taking a nice walk.
Right.
Or I would work out at home on the mattress.
Right. For me personally, we were talking about this. We are someone that likes being home.
Yeah.
So for us, it wasn't as difficult, but yes, we do have those little difficulties of not being able to go out and stuff like that.
Yes.
But for me, I really enjoy being home. So yeah. I think I kind of appreciate this time, and definitely I'm picking up on my cooking again. And then I'm like, I love just being home, and Netflix definitely helps.
Netflix. Friends. I have Friends on 24/7.
Oh really?
I love Friends.
Just Friends is something that we watch over and over again. It's so fun.
I saw a question that I really wanted to answer.
Okay.
And it was, what was your first impression of each other?
Wow! I'm so curious. Let's hear this out. I'm really curious.
You have to answer too, you know.
Oh yeah. Of course. Okay.
So my first impression, I saw her first on videos, right? And it was on Wish Trend, and I thought Wish Trend was hers. So,
okay.
So I was like, oh my god, she's such a boss, lady. So like professional.
Right.
And then I got to know her and I got to meet her. And EuniUnni, she's still really hardworking, so professional, but she's really down to earth and really goofy.
I am.
So that was, I think, one side that I didn't really quite catch on Wish Trend because you know you have to say there are things you have to say and deliver on the video. But she's definitely so much fun to be with, and yeah.
That's right.
Aww. What was my first impression?
I honestly, when I saw you at the event, I didn't have like any thought of like I was just
who's this random girl?
No, I was just grateful for your existence that someone came to see me. But when I met you, like after I watched your videos, like I got to know you.
Yeah.
I was really shocked because you're how old are you, babe? So you're like 6 years younger than me.
Yes.
But I never feel that with Soo.
Yeah, me neither. I don't feel that.
I mean,
at all.
My brain of the maturity level is pretty low too. No, but like she's you know, she's a goofball. I love her. She's like
we have fun together.
Yeah. So we do click, but at the same time you're very mature, and the way that you handle your work, because she's like one of my only YouTuber friends that I can ask stuff and that I can talk to.
We're always like
we're like 언니,
listen up.
Like hold up, what is this story? You know?
맞아.
So it's really nice to have someone like that, because for us we don't have really coworkers like at the office. We don't have a teammate, you know, and things like that. So it's really nice to have you. So.
Aww.
Thank God I found you. I was lost without you. Do you have a darker eyeshadow?
Of course. Did you not bring anything?
I brought like 50,000 lipsticks, but I didn't bring any eyeshadow.
You know, she was the one who said let's do the ABG transformation, and she didn't bring a bronzer.
She bought everything. We're gonna do crazy lashes, right? So I'm gonna do.
Yeah, for sure. The lashes we're gonna put on, guys, that I prepared. She didn't prepare lashes either. Anyways, I bought the lashes. The lashes are like crazy. Like,
I'm excited. I'm kind of because I kind of know how I'm gonna be. Like I have an idea, but I'm really excited for Soo's transformation, because Soo and we have like
similar,
we always have similar the Korean style makeup.
Very
that
clean,
we do.
pristine, nothing too much.
These days I'm playing with makeup a little bit more, and it's becoming really fun. So now I really want to learn how to do lashes, like fake lashes, you know. I think that will be like a whole game changer.
You know, I used to put on lashes every day.
Really? Dang, girl. Oh, this is so pretty.
Actually, yeah. This palette that we're using right now, it's by Ritzy.
Oh, it's pretty.
It's by... Oh, that's Itsy.
Sorry. This is a fun one. All-time favorite skincare brand.
Oh,
this is a tough one, huh? I know there's a brand that we both like.
I'm from.
That's what I was gonna say. That's the one that we do talk about a lot.
All the time. I think definitely, like, I love Innisfree Mamont at Etude House. It's so sparkly.
Oh really? I'm gonna try it just in the middle. I wanna.
해봐.
오 이쁘다.
Right? So pretty, right?
I like it. I wanna use that too.
뭐.
나도 그거 뜰래.
Of course.
Okay. But wow, this is like.
언니 근데 이게 더
대박인데?
이게 더 대박이다.
봐봐. 그거 이쁘다.
이거
That's
hourglass.
really pretty.
Hourglass sketched like glitter eyeshadow array.
Oh wow.
진짜, it's so sultry but sexy but so glittery.
So we're gonna finish off by doing the last lash and lipstick, and we're gonna be done.
And we're gonna style, and we'll be back.
I'm using one that is like a Fiesta, like wow, I've never used lashes like this. I was so surprised that you own lashes like this. I was like, girl.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, it looks so good in the side.
Don't make me laugh.
In the front, I'm like,
you know what? These are too long.
Yeah, they're long. But on the side, I'm like, damn, that looks good.
I don't have scissors right now, that's why.
But this
wow.
Okay, so we're gonna finish off with our lipstick now. I'm so excited. Oh, but you're doing something nudie.
Oh yeah.
What-
I feel
what do
like
you
if you have
think-
strong eyes, you have.
That's true.
That's
Should I go with nudie?
You go ahead with whatever you
Let's
want.
go. Like, let's go all the way.
I like this one.
You like that one? Okay. Speaking of secrets, tell me one secret that you've never told anyone. Right now, to my subbies. One
Oh my
secret.
gosh, I don't really have.
Everyone has secrets.
Okay, everyone has secrets, but I don't know a secret that I can tell right now.
Let's talk about like a skincare secret that you want to confess. Something that you're guilty of. Like, for example, the other day, I slept with my
Your makeup-
sunscreen on.
I do that like every other day.
You makeup guru? You can't do that. That's illegal.
Sometimes, like, on a day where I just really want to give my skin some peace and just let it be, I don't wash it when I go to sleep.
Oh my god.
But that's like if I've been at home all day.
But you still have sunscreen on?
Yeah.
Summer faves.
Summer faves.
Summer faves.
Mists.
I know you love mist.
I love mists. They're not essentials. I mean, you could hydrate your skin with mist, but they're not like a staple. I would recommend, but I just love them. They're just so fun to work with. What's yours?
I think sheet masks. I know everybody loves sheet masks, but I
love a good
think
sheet mask.
yeah, my boyfriend these days, his thing is always to me, he's like, how many sheet masks are you supposed to do a day? Because he sees me doing like 2.
Really? Damn.
Like 1 in the morning, 1 at night,
okay.
But I really like it, you know, like it.
Sheet
gives
mask
me
relaxes you.
it relaxes you so much, and
Okay, I'm putting a gloss on top of my lips. This is.
I think this is. Oh, go ahead. I think this is too much.
I can't. You know what, guys? I can't.
This is too much. Alright guys, so we are done with our makeup. I don't know what we talked about. I don't know what we did, but it was fun.
So fun.
So now we're gonna do a whole transformation from head to toe, and we will see you guys afterwards. Ta-da! You guys, so we are changed into our outfits, but one thing that we're missing is the tats.
Yes.
we
We're very
think-
excited.
We're so excited. I spent like $70 on the tats.
진짜?
yup, 7만 원 썼어.
Wow.
Because I got a lot of tats. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun.
Damn.
Would you do the
guys.
honors and show everyone?
Look how crazy these tattoos are.
Yes, I
Oh my
think it could
gosh.
fit like our thighs, huh?
I want the tiger.
Okay, so I'll get the dragon. This is crazy. I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's try it.
I'm so like nervous.
It doesn't even say the how-tos. And I got little tattoos as
for the
well.
other side. So
yeah,
we
so
can
maybe
do
we
this.
can do like some on the neck. Okay. Tat me up. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Wow! Oh, this is so gangster.
But it worked so well.
Right?
wow. Wow.
This part.
대박.
We'll figure it out.
잠깐만. Let me be careful, yeah? Oh my god.
Damn!
It looks so good.
Don't mess with me, y'all.
대박. 잘했다. Me turn.
You turn. Okay.
Ooh, it's so cold. It's like turning out like way cooler than I ever imagined.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, the tattoo.
Oh no, but this is really nice.
Oh my god.
Wow. Let's do this often.
That's you mean the ABG transformation?
Yeah. Ready, Sue?
Uh-huh.
Alright, let's do this.
Wow.
Wow!
This is
Yours is
insane.
gangster.
Guys.
Damn!
Guys.
Wow!
Oh my gosh.
Gangster that stuff.
This feels so weird.
Wow!
We look like sisters.
We do! Alright guys, so here we are. How do we look? The innocent Uni and Sue is not here right now.
Look at these tattoos.
This is crazy.
This is so crazy.
And we had so much fun actually just putting on the tattoo and creating this look and just hanging out.
So fun.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we are so sorry, but right now we are so focused on
we're so into ourselves. We're like, who's this girl?
I'm doing my outro. I could see this girl so into herself right now.
This is so cool.
This was so fun, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed too, and hope you guys liked our transformation. Don't forget to comment below and like and subscribe, and go subscribe to Soo because she's awesome and her content is amazing. I know you have we have a lot of skincare geeks at EuniUnni's channel. So yes, and please check out our collab video of the best sunscreens as well. And we love you, and we will see you. Peace out.